Hi guys, today I'm going to explain a very common Android problem, the could not save contact error, and why it actually happens. So first, let's understand the main reasons behind this issue. When you try to save a contact on your SIM card, sometimes it fails. The reason is simple. SIM card have very limited storage space and very basic memory structure. They are not designed to store long or detailed contact information. For example, if you try to save a long name like Muhammad Arslan Salim, this name has multiple parts and SIM storage may not handle long or complex entities properly. That's why you get the error like could not save contact. Another reason is phone storage problem. If your phone storage is almost full or overloaded, the contacts app may fail to save new data properly. So yes, storage can also be a hidden reason behind this issue. Now here's the easy fix. Instead of saving contact to SIM card, always select phone storage or Google account, because phone storage can easily handle long names like Muhammad Arslan Salim or even more detailed contact information without any issue. Once you switch to phone storage, the error usually disappears. So remember, SIM card, limited storage, basic data only. Phone Google account, full support for long and detailed contacts. That's it guys, this small change can save you from a very annoying problem. Hope this helps.